Look at those yummy pizza toppings. They include healthy fruits and vegetables. There's even some meat and seafood.
Can I take a day off tonight?
Yeah.
And you manage it here?
Yeah.
You make pizza and you take care of the shop and the customers,
Yes.
the workers.
Yes.
Okay?
He's the new manager.
Thank you, mate. Thank you.
Let's make pizzas.
What pizza are we making today, boys?
Margherita and Pepperoni.
Alright, beautiful. Jump up.
Looks like we're in charge of this pizza shop today.
Whoa, look at that!
So I'm just stretching out a base so all three of us can eat. A pizza for each of us.
This machine is a dough sheeter. It uses the rollers to flatten the pizza dough into sheets. Look at how Uncle Seth is spinning and throwing the pizza dough in the air. This isn't just a cool trick. This is how you stretch the dough into a perfect shape. It also stops the pizza base from being dry.
Go. That's that. Alright, so first we start.
Can I order pizza, please?
Oh look, we have our first customer.
How can I take your order?
Yeah, large margarita, please.
I better write down the order and ask him if he would like a drink.
Would you like a juice?
No, I get soft drink.
Okay. One margarita pizza coming right up.
Thank you.
Good.
Alright. Jump up, boys. Okay. So first we've got to put tomato on it. So that's how you do it. A little bit of tomato.
Smells nice.
Yeah.
I like it.
Alright. Your turn.
Spread it evenly.
Yeah. Now keep one hand here.
I'll hold it. You can. No, you do this.
I don't like that with my hands.
You hold this and I'll hold the plate. Yeah. It's my turn now? So now?
Let me get you some. There you go.
It's yucky. Look, it's not yucky, it's tomato sauce. You eat it with your french fries and chips every day. What do you mean you never?
I don't like tomato.
Mine says, this is going to be mine, and mine has extra tomato sauce. Oh, and we're going to make one full of cups of tomato. Done.
Beautiful. Now you put a little bit of cheese and just a little sprinkle of cheese, just so all the topping sticks. Now, what pizzas are we making?
Pepperoni and margarita.
So, for the pepperoni, you want to get the pepperoni, put some pepperoni in one hand.
And I want extra cheese.
So get a big handful and then spread it around the whole pizza like that. Big handful.
be extra cheesy.
Alright, so hold the side with one hand. Yep. And then spread all of it around.
On my
So
hand.
push it all around. It's alright. Alright, nice and cheesy. Now, just to make the margarita look pretty, we're going to put a smiley face on it. There we go. Alright. Now, let's slide over a little bit. Alright, your turn now to put some cheese on. More cheese. More cheese. Yeah, lots and lots of cheese. Yum. Perfect.
These pizzas smell delicious.
Oh my god, it smells so good.
So eat it, shove it in my face.
Thank you.
Do you want some olives in your margarita?
I do.
There you go.
Aha. Nose.
I need some more olive.
That's the olives.
Yes.
There you go.
There's a pin in this one.
Oh, yeah. Then my pizza.
Now we're putting the pizzas in the pizza oven so they can cook. The pizzas are ready. Can you hear that sizzling sound?
That looks delicious. Mwah. It smells so good. It smells better when we make.
Alright, Ollie, jump up. Alright, so you're going to cut in one corner. Alright, and then one more cut right here. Good job, guys. There's one more pizza to cut.
I'm looking. Can we share the pizza?
Watch out, it's a little bit hot.
Can we share the pizza? No one likes it.
Alright, let's do it together. One. There we go. Oh, thank you. Beautiful.
Good day.
You've done a good job. Beautiful pizza.
Thank you.
Thank you, boy.
Wait, don't forget the money.
Okay. Yeah. How much?
$5.
That's $5 for you.
Okay?
Thank you, boy.
No problem.
See you. See you next time.
Now it's our turn to eat.
Let's go. High five. Good boy.
Hard work making pizza. You want to share, Licky? So I'll just eat mine first. Oh, look at this. How good. Dude, I found a small one for you.
I have a pepperoni.
Oh, that's hot.
I'm eating it.
best pizza I've ever tasted. Gabriella's pizza is the best. So cheesy. This is gonna make me fall asleep. It's so good. Once we leave this place, I'm gonna cry to tell my mom to take me here every day. Please. We've eaten too much, so it's time for us to go. Click the like button and subscribe to our channel. See you next time. Bye! Okay, I'm still eating. This is so good.